Hello friends! Right now, we are going to show you two best electric pressure washer. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we've included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 2. Sunjo Electric Pressure Power Washer. Heavy Duty 2500 Max PSI, 2030 PWMA rated. Portable cleaning and washing machine system for home, autos, patios, decks, and sidewalks. Brand Sunjo. Power source corded electric. Color black. Item weight 24.3 pounds. Hose length 20 feet. Specification met PWMA. Tank volume 1.8 liters. High pressure cleaning delivers up to 20-30 psi working pressure and 1.2 GPM water flow to help remove dirt, grime, and buildup from surfaces such as homes, driveways, vehicles, RVs, and outdoor equipment. Multiple spray options includes 5 quick connect spray tips, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap that allow you to switch between narrow jet streams and wider fan patterns, along with a soap applicator for detergent use. Tough components for everyday use. Equipped with a 34-inch stainless steel spray lance with brass fittings and a 20-foot high-pressure hose designed to support consistent cleaning during routine outdoor maintenance. Dual detergent tank system. Features 2 onboard 0.9-liter detergent tanks that let you store separate cleaning solutions and switch between them easily for different surfaces and cleaning tasks.
Number 1. Westinghouse EPX 3100 Electric Pressure Washer. 2300 Max PSI, 1.76 Max GPM with anti-tipping technology. Onboard soap tank, pro-style steel wand, 5 nozzle set for cars, fences, driveways, home, patios. Brand Westinghouse. Power source AC. Item weight 9 kilograms. Hose length 25 feet. Tank volume 20 fluid ounces. Maximum flow rate 1.76 gallons per minute. Maximum pressure 2,300 pounds per square inch. Delivers 2,300 max PSI and 1.76 max GPM at lowest pressure and 1,900 rated PSI and 1.24 rated GPM of water flow. Pro-style steel extendable 17.5-inch wand with quick connect nozzles. Super compact and lightweight at 16.5 inches tall and 19 pounds for convenient storage and portability. 4 quick lock wheels with 360-degree steering design and low center of gravity engineered for anti-tipping design. Easy coil nylon braided 25-foot hose, 20-ounce onboard soap tank to add detergents, chemicals for heavy-duty cleaning power on decks, driveways, garage floors, stairs, fencing, patio furniture, and vehicles. Pump automatically stops when trigger is not engaged to conserve energy and promote pump and motor life.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.